Hey guys, and welcome back to another TeckWrapCraft video. For this project, we will be making this hippie vibe full wrap cup. We are featuring TeckWrap's neon cold color changing adhesive vinyl, and here we have the cold yellow dark green, and the cold pink purple. These vinyls will switch its color once exposed to cold temperature. So if you like cold drinks, this is a perfect craft vinyl to play with. I'll also be using these TeckWrap weeding tools and scrap collector for this project. All TeckWrap products used in this video will be linked in the description box below. So for this project, I'll be using this clear plastic cup, and it has a glitter finish that is super fancy. Let's begin! So I just cut my vinyl on the exact size that I need for my SVG design, and I'm placing it on top of my cutting mat. Then I have to remove the protective layer before loading it into the machine. So now our design is done cutting. I will try to use the snap weeding technique. As you can see, most of the details are perfectly removed with just one snap. Although, as you can see, there's a part of my design that was removed from my snap weeding. So I just have to slowly put it back and we're good to go. Then I'll just weed out the unwanted vinyls from my design. On this second layer, I will be doing the reverse weeding technique since it has small details on it. I'm going to place a transfer tape on top, then burnish it. Remove it from the mat and flip it over to remove the backing paper. Then slowly remove and weed the negative vinyl from the design. Then I'm placing my parchment paper to help me in layering both layers together. Time to place the first layer on top and move it around to make sure it fits with the bottom layer. Now time to remove the parchment paper while pressing down the layer on top slowly. Burnish them together and remove it from the mat. Then flip it over, burnish again, and remove the backing paper. Slowly press down the vinyl onto the cup and carefully cut multiple slits into the transfer tape. Then slowly wrap your cup by pressing the vinyl using your fingers. And burnish the whole design and slowly remove the transfer tape. And now our hippie vibe full wrap is done. Now let's add some ice and cold water to see how the vinyl will change its color. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I hope to see you on our next video. Bye!